Hurry.
Okay.
So, this is a granddaughter hairstyle that my granddaughter is going to be doing. Can you see it? Maybe we should do it. Maybe I should turn. Let's see. Can you look in the camera? Can you see it better that way? Or okay. Let's go. But don't stand. Yeah, you gotta stand to the side so they can still see. Which one is this gonna be? What's the name of it?
It's kind of like a fishtail braid, but you don't actually braid it like a fishtail braid.
Oh, awesome. Non-braid fishtail braid is what that would be called, right?
Yeah.
Can't see. I'll come down there instead. Grandma.
I'm right here. She's doing my hair for a video.
I can't see. Oh, you filming?
Yeah.
Okay, let me put the chicken on here.
Oh, you coming in to cook?
No, I'm just gonna get it.
Where's my green cup? Right here.
This is a busy place.
It's a little lopsided, but it's okay.
It's lopsided, but it's okay. Tell the camera that.
Well, I guess just because how I'm standing.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Grandpa wants to be in our videos.
No, I just.
That's the second video that you've done a great big sneeze in the background. Come over and say hi.
Hi!
I'll say
As
hi.
good as it gets.
Hello.
Did it get cold out there, kiddos?
It's not ready.
They weren't out there very long, and now we're making coffee.
Lexi came back and covered her mouth like she was cold.
Oh.
No, I was covering my nose so you won't see it.
See how red your face was? You didn't believe it was going to be
Believe me, I
cold.
mowed this morning and it was cold out there mowing and I wasn't going as fast as you guys.
Yeah, he came in, his hands were frozen. Okay, are you explaining how you're doing it, by the way?
Okay, so all you have to do is you just take two pieces off the side and you put it together and you get a hair tie. You just
You're not the way the camera is, sweetie.
and you just tie it.
Look in the camera. Can the camera see?
No, she cannot see her face.
Not my face, but can it see what she's doing?
Yes.
Yes, it
Okay.
can't see her face.
What was that?
Grandpa's putting barbecue
okay.
sauce on it.
Just in case that's
Just for the internet world. I'll stop. I'll put the rest.
Well, that sounded appetizing.
Yeah, really.
And then all you do is you flip it, you make a little hole in the top, and then you
Like water.
flip the hair through.
You got the water?
Everything that's on it, I agree.
Her hair's staying a little bit longer just because it's a little wet. But that's okay.
And what did you say about it earlier?
Just because the way I'm standing, the top is lopsided. So, and then you just tighten it a little bit. And you keep doing it till you basically can't do it anymore.
But like, didn't you say it smelled good?
Yes. Your hair smells good, Grandma.
Because of the function of beauty shampoo. I'll add a link to this video.
Yeah, me and my mom ordered some. I can't wait till it gets in.
And you got purple and yellow shampoo.
No, my mom got purple. I got blue and yellow.
Oh, you got blue? I thought you had a purple and yellow. Blue and yellow. Pastel.
Yeah.
Awesome. Was it fun to pick out your very own special shampoo and
Yeah.
make it? You created it yourself?
Yeah.
Grandma, where is your coconut oil?
Up in the cabinet up there. Like, you know, where our coffee and coffee cups, second shelf. You see it?
Not that much left.
Alright. Is it on the shelf in the pantry?
I I got it. I found it. But
Oh.
not much.
Okay, so once this gets done,
Mhm.
which is kind of like a fishtail braid.
Yeah.
Once it gets done,
You just take it and then you just kind of pull it out a little bit.
poof it.
Yeah. And it looks really cool.
And then, like, you could curl the end, or
Yeah.
you could turn the end into a bun.
Mhm.
You want to do that? Just
Well,
to
this
show?
This
Or
is where it stopped, so you're too low to do a bun.
oh, it's too low for a
Yeah.
bun.
But you could also keep going if you wanted to, or you could like curl it or straighten it or anything else. So.
Can you add barrettes or
Yeah.
anything? Okay.
Uh,
Add one of my new barrettes I'm so excited about. Okay.
And then you could really just add it anywhere you want. Just like
At the bottom?
at the bottom.
Yeah, like at the last one, maybe.
I think it's too small to do that.
Oh, okay.
I'll add it up together.
Or you could put maybe a scrunchie there, like your Brooklyn and Bailey scrunchie would look cute maybe at the end.
Yeah. And you can just put it on the top or in the middle, or really just wherever. I'll put it at the top.
Oh, okay.
And
Okay.
there.
Done?
Yep.
Awesome. Was that pretty simple to watch and look, and then, oh, you know, you could put the barrette right here.
Yeah.
Can I try that?
Sure.
It says put your hair in a bun, drink some coffee, and handle it.
I'll just do this one.
I'm just gonna use all this coconut oil and put the hair mask in here.
Well, you're not showing how it's made.
Not yet. I'm not
Oh.
making it yet.
My other granddaughter, one is doing a hairstyle video, and then the other one is doing a hair mask. So stay tuned and look at this channel, and you'll see a hair mask video by Madison. This is a hairstyle.
So you like just one of these, or
Well, yeah, maybe one.
okay.
Just go like right there.
Like that.
Yeah.
This one's always hard to clip.
Do you bend it?
Yeah.
There. See, isn't that cute? It's kind of cute right there. That's it. The end.